Hey guys, what's happening? This is Abhishek and welcome back to Gizmo Ground. So today we're going to be unboxing the POCO M2 Pro, and I got this off of Flipkart in the Big Billion Day sale, and it costed me 1440 rupees even though MRP says almost 20,000 INR. In any case, this is a really bang for the buck phone, really well priced for the features it offers. So let's just see what's in the box. Here we go. Okay, so first things first, we got a smaller box which I believe houses the case and some sort of literature. Keeping that to the side, let's look at the case first. It's a tinted case, silicone, got a flap for the USB port. Next we got the 33-watt charging brick. This is humongous, to be honest. And up next we got the phone itself. Okay, this is one heavy phone, man. This feels heavy. Also, it feels really premium for the price. Really premium for the price. So yeah, let's keep that to the side as well. Here's the charging cable, and what else? Nothing else. Okay, let's boot this baby up. While it's booting up, let's just go through the specs. So it's got a Snapdragon 720G, that's a really nice processor. Also it's got 33-watt fast charging, which is absolutely unheard of in this price segment. It's got a 6.67 inch screen. I mean, wow, that's almost hitting tablet territories within this range. And it's got the quad camera setup. We'll check that out in a later video maybe. But for now, it's booted up. It's running MIUI 11 out of the box. Let me just set this up quickly and give you a brief overview. Also, this is exactly what we get in the box. Hey guys, so the setup is done and we are back again, and first thing I gotta tell you, the phone is really heavy at 209 grams, but it does not feel as big as it is on paper, as in 6.67 inch. The reason probably being the fact that it's a taller aspect ratio rather than a wider one, so it feels comfortable in the hand. I mean, I use a OnePlus 6 on a daily basis and it didn't really feel that heavy to me at all, so that big to me at all. So yeah, also the back feels really premium for the price. It's a fingerprint magnet, no doubt, but it does feel good. Let's take a few quick camera samples and see how it is. We'll go to the MI camera app. Maybe later on I'll actually download the Gcam app. Let's see. Okay, no shutter lag, that's a good thing. Then again, it's a brand new phone, so we'll have to wait to find out. Okay, it's dusty. My mouse is really dusty, but for what it is, the camera is good, not bad. Focuses really well. In any case, that's about it. The UI is typical MIUI. Comes with a ton of bloatwares. I've been trying to disable a lot of it. Let's see, hopefully I'll end up disabling all the bloatware eventually, and maybe give you guys a first impressions or maybe a review if you guys like. Do let me know down in the comment section if you actually want a full review of this phone. For the time being guys, that's been it. That's all there is to this phone, and yeah, thanks for watching. Okay guys, before I go, I just realized that I have a MIUI 12 update, so I'm just gonna update this right now and see if it brings any significant changes into the system or the user experience, and I'll let you guys know in a later video. Anyhow, again, thanks for watching.